Meet Aranet Gateway Pro. Now let's take a quick look at how it's made. It starts in our production facility, where engineering, precision equipment, and skilled hands come together to build reliable technology. Every unit begins with careful preparation. Components are processed and checked to ensure consistent quality from the start. At the heart of every unit is the main board. This is where Gateway Pro begins. Next, the build moves to the assembly station, where every part is staged and ready, down to the smallest component. Display, main board, housing, fasteners. Each piece is designed to fit together precisely for a clean, durable finish. Once hardware assembly is completed, each unit is transferred to the quality control and firmware update station. The latest firmware is flashed onto the device, ensuring each unit is delivered with the current production firmware version. A critical step we never skip: automated testing that helps eliminate issues at the source. And lastly, final design touches. Now it's ready to ship. Gateway Pro is packed with a quick start guide and mounting accessories and prepared for delivery, ready to become part of your monitoring system.